Hello guys, I'm the Theory. Today I'm going to talk about P, where to buy and sell Bitcoin, major takeaways. So the big question is, where can you buy or sell Bitcoin now that the mainnet is live? So you're a holder throughout so much time, so you want to sell. Or you're a new crypto investor and you see P network being a tremendous coin. So what are you going to buy? So in this video, we'll talk about all the best places to trade P and some major takeaways about the P network and mainnet. Right now, there's all the centralized exchanges, the SEX. P is officially listed on HTX, OKX, MEXX, Bitmart, iBank, and Gate.io. Look for trading pairs like P.USDT or PBTC pairs where you can trade your P to buy or sell accordingly. The centralized exchange DEX currently P is not available on DEXs like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, Binance, all that, but this may change in the future. I believe with a lot of populated coin like this, the whole rumors gonna speak and the PancakeSwap and Uniswap will do the P introduction and mainnet into their DEXs. The peer-to-peer trading, P2P, you can trade P with other users, but always use escrow services to avoid scams. It's really cautious. Always know what you're doing before doing anything right now. So how can you sell P? Step to sell on all the SEX services and create an account, for example on Bitmart, in order to list the P. Deposit your P from your wallet. You must connect your wallet and deposit all the P through your exchange and the address that's going to be your symptom. After that, use a market or limit sell order in order to sell your P network, and from there withdraw funds to your bank account or another crypto wallet. So after you find Bitmart, for example, go there, find the P, send your P to Bitmart in order to sell it with a PUSDT pair. Take your USDT and get it back on your wallet or your main Binance account or anything you want in order to from there to get on the USDT, USD, Euro, and take real money into your bank account. Alternative selling methods. Some businesses accept P for goods and services right now, and P ecosystem will expand trading options as adoption grows. P is still new in the open market, so price may be unstable, so must be cautious before doing anything. Only trade on trusted, verified exchanges. Beware of fake P tokens and scams on social media. Always use KYC Know Your Customer approved exchanges to protect your assets. So now you know where to buy and sell P if you're trading. Make sure you're using safe platforms and always do your own research, guys. What are your thoughts on P market? Let us know in the comments. And as always, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and see you guys in the next one. Bye bye, guys.